All right, guys, quick update on Bitcoin. Okay, currently we're expecting a zigzag to the upside. Yesterday, the choices was a zigzag or impulse. If we got an impulse, all right, basically in here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an impulse, okay? Let me get this on the chart. Okay, that's an impulse, okay? So now, currently, we're waiting on a 2 wave or a B wave, okay? We can't tell which one is which, okay, currently. Then we're looking for another move up. Now, this move up that we get next, okay, if that is also impulsive, that's a good look because then potentially we've got 1, 2, 3. Now, if that move coming up gives us, say, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, like this, where 1 and 3 overlap, that's a diagonal. And that would tell me that this is going to be a zigzag and it's going to drop. Now, there's always the chance you get a smaller version of this inside. Okay, that could be a leading diagonal to continue higher. So you have to look at it proportionally to the thing. If we get a sizable move around the same size as this doing this, then that would indicate it's a C wave. If you get a small one that hasn't even taken out this high, okay, then that would be the A wave of your C wave or the 1 wave of your 3 wave. Okay, so similar in size, diagonal. Look, and another point that is quite important. If this ends up being corrective, so a 5, a 3, and a 5, okay, in a zigzag, and it's corrective, it's not a third wave. You don't have a, so for argument's sake, say we get 1, 2, and a 5 wave move up here, okay, say 2 ends here, and we pull our fib, okay, say we get what we believe is a 3 come up here, okay, and finish around here, okay, and then we get this move down that we're hoping is a 4, and we touch the 618. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, calm down and touch the 618. It's now a zigzag. And if this is a zigzag, yeah, so that we do the 618, that will be a good thing to do. If we touch that 618, expect price to take out this low. Expect price to potentially even take out this low. Okay, and we'll be bearish. So all eyes on Bitcoin. Okay, I will update this video. If you're watching this video and you watch the next video, which will probably be posted in an hour or two, whenever Bitcoin decides to make a move, there will be so much you can learn within that range that will help you with your trading on how to identify whether it's a correction or whether it's an impulse. And you will also be able to take advantage of the move. So if we get 1, 2, 3, and we get a 4, you can take advantage of the move to the upside. I just did a video on like 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, whenever it was, on this, and I bought it. Okay, so go to the video just before this. I bought it whilst doing the video. I explained, I think it was here, and I think I bought it here or here. Okay, I did explain that it might dip and then come up, which we did fine. I'm still in the trade. I've taken a small partial just before starting this video. Okay, but this was expected to be a 4th wave. Okay, this was expected to be a 4th wave, and that's what we're getting. Okay, came down into this area, and then I looked for my signs of strength. I had engulfing, okay, on a smaller time frame. I had engulfing. On the TDI, we'd been on we're up to the 50 EMA. See 3 hits below the low of the 50 EMA. Now, some of the stuff we're seeing now wasn't even there yet, okay? But just go watch that video, because what I've just spoke about is the same thing that we're looking to see here, okay? we're looking to see this here soon. Okay, currently, cool, 1, 2, 3, 4, no rules violated. It trades impulsively, but it could be an A, B, C, and then we'll be dropping. So currently, yes, upside. You want to be buying Bitcoin currently. Okay, we might get a little dip lower before going up, but currently I would be buying Bitcoin new high, anticipating a 5 wave move, whether that be a diag or an impulse. If it's a diag, I'll be cautious because it would look like it would be the C wave and a diagonal of a zigzag and would want to come back down. So Bitcoin should be a fairly easy trade coming soon, where we are expecting this currently. Whether that ends up being a zigzag or an impulse. Okay. Also, this will become our one. So that'll be another thing that we don't want to see is price come down and touch this green line after it takes off from here. Okay. All right. It could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within itself. Fine. But then once we've got that 5, the top of that third wave, we need this to be a 3 wave move that does not touch 618 so we can get our 5th wave. Okay. So that's my update on Bitcoin, and I'll update you again later. Peace.